Hey guys, today is a special day. And I was about to upload a video that I had and where I did my daily spin and stuff, but I thought this was more important. Today is the most special day. It's September 11th, guys. You know what that means? It's my birthday! So I made a little song, and I'm not a good songwriter, and it took me about like 1 minute to figure out I wanted to make this song. And then it was really funny because I haven't ever made a song and then posted it, but yeah, it's gonna be really fun. It probably won't go over with the same lyrics, but yeah, let's get started. My B-day. It's my B-day, my birthday, day. My B-day, oh, my B-day, it's my B-day, I was born right here in the night, not here, my B-day, not in the morning, but at night, right now, my B-day, look at me, I'm a snow leopard, my B-day, hello, jammers, dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. My B-day, oh yeah, it's my B-day. Say it with me, my B-day, my B-day. Say it with me, my B-day, my B-day. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's a Sunday. My B-day, oh yeah, my B-day, oh yeah, my B-day, oh yeah, my B-day. Hey! Oh yeah, it's her B-day. Look at her paws. Look at her strong. Look at her dance. Dance. Look at me play with the little squishy little thing. Look at her, just look at me. Happy B-day is my happy B-day. Oh yeah, my B-day. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's my birthday. My birthday. Birthday. Thank you, Jammers, for watching. I hope you have a good day. Say hi to, please, Robot Zarafa, Alex, Ali, and, A31176. They were all in this. Well, she said happy birthday. She just was there. Like, there. Just right there when she should be, like, right over here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And she is right on me. I have to move again, so let's go over here. Okay, so Alex says hey, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. If you guys are still watching, put Kangaroo Gecko in the comments down below. Goodbye!